Alright, good morning ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is BDP in the house for another motovlog daily commute. So, you wanna buy your first motorcycle? Let's talk about that. So, if we're talking about a beginner rider that doesn't have any experience, any experience with dirt bikes or motorcycles, riding motorcycles, and stuff like that, first thing that I would tell them is to go to an MSF class. MSF class is a Motorcycle Safety Foundation. I will put the link in the description up there. So MSF class is basically a class that will save your life out here riding on the streets, on the real world. So what I had before is a 2-day class, having Saturday and Sunday. So Saturday was basically all about theories, classroom work, like books and stuff. They're gonna tell you about different functions or parts of motorcycle. And here we are again, land of construction. Construction here, construction there. Construction everywhere. Hey, Bud Light. Tell me what am I thinking without telling me what I'm thinking. Yeah, we're back. So, yeah, like I said, the first day is going to be class. And then an exam. The second day, Sunday. So what I did is, what we did is the actual exam wherein you'll ride the motorcycle that they provided. They provided us with a small dirt bike. Yeah. Well, anyway, so get your MSF class. That's number one. Number two, let's talk about motorcycle styles. If you want to buy a motorcycle, right? So for me, there's like 4 different motorcycle styles that there is. One is a cruiser type, those Harleys, Fat Boys, those baggers. I consider those a cruiser type. Riding position wise, is you feel like you're in a lazy boy or you're in a recliner, but it's so comfortable. But maneuverability or agility in the sense, it's really not so. So the number 2 is type of motorcycle is those standard bikes like like this, the RnineT, my baby. The RnineT, Triumph, Bonneville, standard bikes, or you can say as a commuter bike.
Hey, is that a 1200?
Yeah, 1200. I wish that guy wants to be in my position too, riding my motorcycle to work. But anyways, going back to the top, the third one will be the adventure bikes, or dual sport. Dual sport is what I can give you an example of a dual sport. Like for the name itself, dual sport. You can go off-road and you can go on-road with it. Dual sport bikes are the BMW GS 1200, the Honda Africa Twin, There's a lot. Also, every brand has their own line of the dual sports motorcycle, and it's beginning to be popular. It's starting to be more and more popular nowadays. Because you can use that for a tour too. You know, you can go on a long distance ride with that beast. You know. Oh, where am I going? Can I go here? I guess I can. So the last type of motorcycle there is, you guys guess it, it's the sport bikes. You see a motorcycle on the road that looks sexy, look slick, look fast. So you are probably looking at a super sport or a sport bike type of motorcycle. Now, like every other types of motorcycle, it comes in various displacements, coming from 300 to 50, 500 versus 600. So riding style is not very forgiving in your back. Can't find the right word. But on a fun level, it's fun. You know, you only need probably a fourth gear, or you probably don't need a fourth gear in that out here on the streets. So there's a line that says SEE that they'll teach you in motorcycle class. You search, you continue searching, you evaluate the situation if there's any road hazards, and then you execute. You execute in the safest possible ways, you know. Alright guys, here is my 2 cents out of this video. Pick a motorcycle that you like. All motorcycles are fun. That's for sure. That's number 1. Number 2 is get an MSF class for you to be safe out here on the streets. Here's number 3 is get a lower displacement motorcycle. Because lower displacement motorcycle is more forgiving than the higher cc displacement motorcycle. Talking about sport bikes, because I know most of you will start on sport bikes. Am I right? Yeah, that's what I thought. So another question that you will ask yourself is, should you buy new or a used motorcycle as your first motorcycle? Something to think about. You guys be safe, ride safe, be smart. Okay? I hope you pick up something from this video. If you don't, but I really hope that you guys did. Hey, if you like this video, please click the like button, click the subscribe button, and then the bell notification, so you guys are aware that if I uploaded a new video. Okay? It will really help out my channel grow. Thank you guys, and again, be safe out here on the streets. Cheers.